Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve class paper for June series 2021. So we need to complete the table value of y equal to 18 over x. So here for each value of x, we just need to substitute it. Like first, we got 18 we divide by negative 8 as the value of x. So this is negative 2.25. Next, when x equal to negative 6, okay, therefore by the now when x equal to negative 4, so 18 we divide by negative 4, so you got as negative 4.5. Okay, when x equal to negative 2, just substitute 18 we divide by negative 2, so you got as negative 9. Now when x equal to, so we can just substitute it to find the value of y, so 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Next, 18 divided by 4 is equal to 4.5. Then the last 18 we divide by 8, this is 2.25. Okay, on the grid we can draw the y equal to 18 over x for negative 8 till negative 2 for the value x from negative. Okay, starting by 8, negative 8. Okay, when x equal to negative 8, y is negative 2.25. 2.25. Okay. When x equal to negative 6, y equal to negative 3. Here is negative 2, so here is negative 3. Next, when x equal to negative 4, y is negative 4.5. So here is in the middle. When x equal to negative 3, okay, y equal to negative 6. And last point, we got x equal to negative 2, y is negative 9. So here it is. Let's draw the graph. Here it is. Okay, next one, x equal to y is negative, and not negative, positive 9. So here is positive 9. When x equal to 3, equal to 6. When x equal to 4, here is 4.5. When x equal to 6, here is equal to 3. When a equal x equal to 8, so y equal to 2.25. Here it is, and 2.25 is here. So we can just draw with the graph. Okay, here is the graph. Okay, we need to write down the order of symmetry, rotational symmetry of the graph. So here is only 2. We can write it 2. On the grid, plot and join the point negative x, 8 and negative 3. Negative 8 and negative 3. Okay. And one more is when x equal to 6 is 4. Okay, let's connect it. Use a ruler. Join these 2 points. Okay, write down the value of x where the line intercept of the graph y, okay, equal to 18 over x. So first, the intersection point. Here's the first one. Sorry. Okay, here's the first intersection point. So x equal to negative 7 and x equal to, okay, 5.1. So we can write it. So x equal to negative 7 and x equal to 5. 0.1. Find the equation of this line in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Okay, we got 2 points, -8 and -3, and 6.4. So this is x1, x2, y1, and y2. Let's find the gradient. So this is y2 minus y1, then we divide by x2 minus x1. Just substitute the value. So it is 4 minus by -3. We divide by x. 6 minus by -8. So here is 7 divided by 14. So the gradient is equal to 1 over 2. We simplify. Then we need to find the c. Or we can come again to this formula. So you got gradient, we keep it as y and minus y1, then x minus by x1. x1. So gradient we got as 1 over 2. Here is y minus by -3. We divide by x minus by -8. So it's 1 over 2 equal to y plus by 3. Here x plus by 8. Okay, we multiply it. So 1 over 2x plus by 4 equal to y plus by 3. We minus by 3 both of sides. So we got as y equal to 1 over 2x plus by 1. So the equation is 1 over 2x plus by 1. And number 6, we need to scale. Drawing show, okay, 1 centimeter, this is represent of 12 meter. So here it is, the centimeter. Okay, we got as 7.3 centimeter. The actual distance, so we got before as 7.3 centimeter. So here we multiply it by 12. So 7.3 we multiply by 12. So we got as 87.6 meter. Okay, measure the bearing of the house A from the house B. Okay, here's the bearing. Okay, here is we got as 90 degree. Yeah, here's a protractor, the easiest one, starting from the north. So as I don't have the protractor, I will use a ruler. Here is 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. Okay, we got 23. So here is 247 degree. 247 degree. You can use a protractor from the north. Always the clockwise here, the angle. Okay, another house C is 102 meters from the house B on the bearing of 157 from B. Okay, so this is 120. So here is the scale is 1 centimeter equal to 12 meter. So here is meter, we need to change it into centimeter. So 102 we divide by 12, so we got as 8.5 centimeter. Okay, so yeah, I would say use a protector. It is as 153 degree, so we can just draw the line as 8.5 centimeter. Okay, here it is 8.5 centimeter. This is C, 153 bearing from B. Okay, here the diagram show field. Okay, there is a straight line path from P to Q. So we can draw it the straight line. Okay, the question is calculate the length of this path. That is mean P to R. So PR, as this is a triangle, right angle, so PR equal to square root of 67 square plus by 98 square. So as calculated, 67 square, here is 4,489 plus by 98 square is 9,604. So we can plus 489 is 14,093. So PR is the square root of 14,000 and or we can make it as 118.7. It is 118.7 meter. There it is. I will continue for the next part. Thank you.